Welcome to Nari Sekhi, and today let's make Raagi porridge for 6 months baby food, and it's high in fiber, proteins, very healthy. So here I have taken Raagi flour. Initially 1 tablespoon is enough. Mix it with water to make like a slurry, so there are no lumps when you are cooking it. This is the easiest way to avoid lumps, because if you add directly the flour to the hot water, it will form lumps. So add slowly, little by little, and mix it well so there are no lumps. This is a very nice porridge for babies after 6 months. It is all the nutrients needed, and I have taken here hot water. So to this I'm going to add this ragi mixture, and first you can keep medium high heat, and make sure you keep on stirring it. It will overflow. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes to cook it, and it will thicken a little bit. So cook it very nicely. If you want to add a little bit more water, you can add it. So keep stirring. Initially, as per the age of your child, you can make a thin, you don't have to make a thick porridge. So adjust the consistency as per the age of your baby. So this consistency initially, and then you go on making the consistency thicker like a porridge. Initially you can give like a liquid. For sweeteners, you can add jaggery or dates. Here I'm using Jaggery, and it again depends on the age of your baby, what sweeteners they like. So I'm going to show you how to make it a little bit thicker, and this is really good for babies. It has a lot of proteins and fiber. So try this. Let me know if you have any questions or comments, and please subscribe Nari Sekhi for more videos. Thank you.